Detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be.
You know, our bodies are designed naturally to go for sugar.
Yes.
You know, that's what we're designed, that's what tastes natural to our tongues in its natural form. So when you look at, like, say you were out in nature, you didn't have TV to tell you what to eat, you didn't have anybody, no teachers or anything to tell you what was best to eat for you. And what would you go for? Would it be, if you saw like a dead animal on the ground, would that make you salivate and be like, ooh, I'm gonna eat that thing? Or would you see like, oh yeah,
pretty fruits and vegetables that God made.
Yeah, or would you see these beautiful,
Yes.
bright colored fruits and vegetables that when you taste them and they smell good to us, they have that
Yes.
fragrance that
Yes.
attracts us to it. So, that's really, if you go by the true teacher or the true guardian of our body, which is our tongue, that would tell you fruits and vegetables, because that's what you don't have to do one thing to. You can just eat it right off of the plant and it tastes good to us.
Mhm.
So otherwise, if we're eating like a steak or anything else, they put seasoning on it, they put other sugars, salt, pepper, all the seasonings that make it taste good to our taste buds. One big thing that we're seeing in America and really all over the world is inflammatory conditions, which there's really only two sides of chemistry. There's acid, which is corrosive, which is like hot, burning, and then there's alkaline, which is the base side of chemistry. It's the anti-inflammatory side, it's cooling, and that's what we're getting from our raw fruits and vegetables, is alkaline minerals, antioxidants, phytochemicals. These things are all very good at cooling down the system and really lubricating the joints, the tissues that allow it to function how it was meant to function. Just like, you got the chimps swinging around in the trees like, nobody's business. And a lot of people, can barely climb the stairs because they got sore joints, they got a lot of fatigue, they got things like that. They're keeping them from living the life that really we all should be living very comfortably. When we cook, unless you're eating that salmon raw, the fatty acids are heat sensitive. So once you put that salmon on the grill or in the oven or whatever you do to cook it, you're destroying those fatty acids.
Wow.
So you actually, when you put heat to even an alkaline mineral or an alkaline food, you'll turn it into an acidic food. So like orange juice are very alkaline in its natural state. But if you take orange juice and you pasteurize it, which is a very hot process, they heat it to kill everything within it, which is another thing, like,
Kills the enzymes.
where's all the nutrition in it? It's basically just sugar water.
Yeah.
But yeah, it makes it very acidic, very acid forming in the body. And when there's acids in the body has to buffer those acids in order to protect itself. So like when you eat like a lot of cayenne pepper, or let's see, what's another, or milk, you get like a phlegm, when you eat a lot of dairy, you get like a phlegm. That's mucus to coat the cells from getting burned from the acids in that food. So that's why, everybody is so congested. That's why so many people get the flu, colds, they're constipated, they're full of mucus and they're full of this sticky substance that is the perfect breeding ground for bacteria. And the negative, the bad bacteria. There's good bacteria, which is what we get when we have a clean system. We're always going to have bacteria in the body. There has to be. It's just part of life. And if we eat more natural foods, like the fruits and vegetables that have that fiber, the water, and the antioxidants, then we're going to have a higher level of that good bacteria.
Detoxify your mind and body. Be the change you want to see. Small steps towards living better. Small steps to where I want to be.